everyone, welcome back!
The fires are dying out!
So, our little villagers are about to get their asses handed to them by a wolf of some sort. So, let's send out our crime against nature. Let's make more of them. Koyang. Alright then, guys, let's go! Oh, look at those beautiful animals. My dogs are going to go nuts at the sound of these things barking. Yep, there they go. Right on cue.
The critters are under attack.
No! Oh god, I suck. I lost my creatures already.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
Oh man,
No
I am not good
problem.
at combat in anything. Lucy, where are you? Lucy.
Right.
No. You keep going. I don't want you making out
Let's
with Lucy.
go. Right.
How can I help you?
Lucy,
That shouldn't be a problem.
I had hoped so.
The critters are under attack.
Well, yeah! My critters rock. Right, now where are these bad guys? There.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Yes, I know, they're dying. I'm crap at this. We've established that. Kai, Mari, shut up. I have no idea what I'm doing all of a sudden. No. How do I research stuff? I forget. Oh, there we go. Do that. You should be fine on your own. Oh, dogs, please, for the love of God.
Ready for action. No problem.
My derby dogs are going nuts.
What's next? Let's go. I'm on it.
No, I want you.
Rex Chance at your service. Right.
Level 2 research is complete.
Yay.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Sounds like a plan.
Well, are you gonna shoot it or not?
Ready for action.
Shoot it.
I'm on it.
Shoot it!
Let's go.
Fine, don't shoot it. Alright, can I make new creatures? Yeah! Make all
The
of
critters are under attack.
Oh, when are they not under attack? Well, that worked. Guys! Zip it!
Rex Chance at your service. Ready for action. I'm on it.
The critters are under attack.
Let's go.
Oh, everything's happening.
The critters are under attack.
Nice.
The critters are under attack.
I'm really bad at this. Dog, shut up. I'm really bad at this. I am so bad at this. Oh god, here they come.
The lab is being attacked, boss.
What would you have me do? I'll get on that directly.
No,
The
no,
critters
no.
are under attack.
I want you to keep
Yes,
doing
for science.
that. Just keep spewing out monsters, damn it. Okay. Good job, guys.
What's next?
Right, can you fire stuff now?
I'm on it.
I want you to shoot it. Why you no shoot?
Ready. What's next? Let's go. No problem.
Right then, my beasts. Let's get Mr. Chance in on that action.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
He runs with the animals.
No problem. Right. Let's go. I'm on it. No problem. Let's go.
Yes, lads.
I'm on it.
I love my monsters.
Rex is being attacked.
No problem.
Rex,
What's next? Let's go.
Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss.
Ready.
okay. Apparently that's over.
Now that those creatures are dealt with, tell me what you know about those men.
All right, they're on the...
So we can...
Yeah, the
Yes,
bad
but
guys.
you're...
Oh, that was the actual level done. Oh. Okay. Our biggest issue. Yeah, plot.
We're looking for a man and a woman traveling in a big flying train.
A
Shouldn't be
flying
difficult.
train.
How many flying trains are
The
there?
objective, boss.
Right.
What's next? Sounds like a plan.
Why will you not shoot things anymore?
Right.
This dude just...
Rex Chance at your service. I'm on it.
Yes, I know,
How can I help you?
Lucy.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Rex.
Ready.
Aha!
Sounds like a plan.
Or not. Rex!
What's next? I'm on it.
Why you no shoot things?
Rex Chance at your service.
Okay, because I've gathered.
Ready for...
Oh, no! Heads up! Those beasts are coming!
What accent was that? Like,
The lab is being attacked, boss.
I can
Ready.
see that.
The critters are under attack.
What's next?
Rex is being attacked.
Oh, shut up!
Ready for action.
The critters are under attack.
Critters are
Let's
under
go.
attack. Rex is under attack. Everyone is under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. No problem.
Come on, Rex. Move it.
Ready for action.
Rex.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Just get-
Lucy's being attacked.
Ready.
Lucy!
Sounds like a plan. Let's go. No
Seriously,
problem.
Lucy.
The critters are under attack.
Lucy!
Let's go.
You was useless. Stop dying.
What would you have me do?
I'd have
I'll
you
get
move.
on that
God's
directly.
sake, woman.
For science.
Oh, you're freaking useless.
Right away.
Shut up, Lucy. So that started well.
Rex is being attacked.
Oh,
Ready
shut
for
up.
action.
God's sake, Rex.
No problem.
The critters are under attack.
What have we collected now? A lemming! Oh!
Objective done. Great
I want
work,
lemmings.
boss.
Get that too. I think that's
Lucy's being
that's-
attacked.
Rex Chance at your service. Let's go.
Damn it, Lucy!
No problem.
Level 2 research is complete.
Dog's quiet. Arf, arf. Lion Lemming be like? Aww. That's kind of cute. In a really strange way. Oh my. Okay. The way it walks! Oh yes, that. Oh, what's my look back? Oh. Oh. Yep, that's it. The main lion. Yep. Back.
The critters are under attack.
No. Where's the main? Where is it?
Lucy's
Hey.
being attacked.
God's sake, Lucy!
What would you have me do?
Have you not get freaking attacked every 2 minutes?
Ready for action. Let's go.
Good job. But that fuel isn't getting here by itself.
Gee, why don't I just go over there and ask nice?
Why don't you, Mr.
Yeah,
Chance?
why don't you?
Please,
Why'd you have to be an
Just
asshole
call me
about it?
Rex.
Oh, God. Right.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
Ready, steady, go.
No problem. Let's go. Right. No problem. Let's go. Right.
Doopy doopy doo.
Sounds like a plan.
Right, here's the little village.
Let's go.
Did everyone die?
Sounds like a
There's
plan.
nobody here.
Let's go. No problem. Sounds like a plan. Right. No
Rex is being attacked.
I know Rex is being attacked. Rex is a bloody dick ass.
The critters are under attack.
I know they're under attack, for God's sake. I made them attack. The porcupine is really freaking cool.
What's next? Right. No problem.
Oh,
I'm on
so
it.
tempted to just turn off the voices. They're so
Sounds like a
irritating.
plan. Let's go.
No problem.
Sounds like a plan.
Come on, say it. No problem.
I'm on it. Right.
Ooh, what did I just collect? A wolf. Nice.
Objective done. Great work, boys.
I'm on it. Sounds like a plan.
Ah, here we go.
Let's go.
What's that? It's running away with it.
Sounds like a plan.
These guys are dead. as
Right. I'm on it. Right.
well. Okay, I assume I can go down there to get back to my base quick.
How can I help you? Yes? For science.
What are you doing?
How can I help you?
God
Right
damn it,
away.
Lucy. All the villagers are in my thing. What do I do?
Ready for action.
Just go
Sounds like a
there.
plan.
Let's make some more animals. Some more abominations. We'll get the wolf. Porcupine. The wolupine. That's kind of cute. Aww. Yeah, we want it to have the quill burst rather than high endurance. Oh, that is a mess. Oh. That is so wrong. Okay. The holy pine. Am I out of coal? Not enough coal. Alright, what's Jackass McGee doing?
Rex Chance at your service.
Oh,
Let's go.
Damn jackass.
Ready for action. What's next? Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
Let's
Oh
go.
god.
No problem.
Oh sweet, they burrow. That's so cool.
The critters are under attack.
Does the lemming line do anything? Apart from bury itself in the ground?
Rex Chance at your service.
So they just
Sounds like a
run
plan.
away. Oh god.
I'm on it.
Oh cool, that is
Ready
pretty
for
awesome.
action. Right. I'm on it. Let's
I
go.
have no idea what I'm doing.
I'm on it.
No idea. Oh.
Right.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it. No problem.
The critters are under attack. I surrender. Please, don't let your creatures eat me.
Give us some of your fuel and I won't let them hurt you.
Sure. I'll even carry it for you. But you and your creatures will have to protect me. I don't like being eaten.
Yeah, nobody likes being eaten, dude. Take your nuclear waste back to my base, please.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Was.
We got new objectives. Hello? All right.
Alright. I think we lost
What's
the frog
next?
creatures. That sucks. This way.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's see what's on the bridge.
I'm on it.
Nope, nothing's on the bridge. Okay, back we go.
Right. No problem.
I'm just gonna check
Henchmen
out.
under attack.
What's under attack? Who's under attack? What's under? Okay, just run. Okay.
I've got one of those things after me.
Okay, I'm sending out a shitload
The
of
critters are
animals.
under attack.
Just keep running, mate. You're gonna be okay. Just keep running. You're so close.
Henchmen under attack. The critters are under attack.
Yay! The critters are the awesome ones.
Rex is being attacked.
Oh, God's sake.
This coal
Dog,
pile has been
seriously,
depleted.
shut up.
The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked.
Oh, good God. Okay, so everything died.
Ready. Let's go.
Can I make things? No, I can't. Huh? Lucy!
How
Did
can
you
I
mine
help
all
you?
of the coal? Damn it, Lucy!
That shouldn't be a problem.
Go sit in the lab, do something I would say useful, but
Ready for action.
can I make anything? Where have you gone? I told you to go back to the damn lab. Oh, Rex is meant to go back
Ready.
to the lab.
Sounds like a plan.
Ready, boss. You're the boss. Okay.
Right, I'll be right back. I just want to check how much time has passed. See you soon. Okay, we can spare another 5 minutes. My audio cuts out after 30 minutes and replaces it with beautiful sounding static. Very loud, very annoying static.
Rex is being attacked.
Oh, when is...
Rex Chance at your
Yeah,
service.
Rex, just get back to your base. God's sake, Rex.
The critters are under attack.
Please stop. There must be a way to turn off.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Oh yeah, I'm the best.
I got scares.
Oh, do you ever?
Charming. This'll keep us flying for a while.
I done good then?
Yeah. Look, I've got a proposition for you.
But geez, I'm flattered, Mr. Chance, but I don't, I mean, I ain't into, you know.
Shipment.
Look, friend, it's nothing like that. You seem like a competent guy. How would you like to work for us?
Ship it like
I don't
FedEx.
like Julius one bit, but if I work for you, he'll send Whitey after me.
What's a whitey?
He's referring to Whitey Hooten, Julius's head thug who keeps all the men in line. Most of them hate Julius, but do what he says because they're afraid.
Listen, buddy. If you help us...
Yeah, we'll help you.
You can recruit more of us from the lab, but we don't work for free. It's gonna cost you. New objective, boss. We got... New objectives.
So how does Lucy do that?
Yes?
What do I do with you, Luce? Use Lucy to capture the genetic amplifier technology. Huh? What?
Objective done. Great work, boss.
What would you have me do?
I have no idea what I want you to do. Gather tech. Wait, is this a new level? I think it is a new level. Oh no, I'm just on the far end of the level. Well, I'll leave it here for now. And when we come back, we will find out what it is Lucy wants us to do. Because at the moment, I have no idea. And they haven't exactly told me how I'm meant to do it. So, screw you, Lucy. I'm out for now. Thank you all for joining me. This has been Impossible Creatures, where we make beautiful abominations of nature. Oh, it's good times all around. Thank you all for joining me. Bye!